Okay, what you're seeing here is I have a couple kettlebells. You could use dumbbells as well, or if you just wanted to hug a weight in front of you, that's perfectly fine. But we're working on bent knee walking. Why the knee is bent is this adds a little bit more element of the foot having to work on ankle dorsiflexion, and then also just in terms of gathering a little bit more foot stability. One of the other things you can do with this is you don't necessarily have to bend the knee. You could also just make it as a weighted walk, but the element of making it as slow as humanly possible is widely beneficial for this. What you're seeing here is the knee bent portion side of things. And so as I'm making contact with my foot, I'm making that nice foot tripod and I'm pushing straight through the middle of my foot. The goal is to not sway a whole lot. You do see a little bit of that as I'm performing the movement. Just know that the intention of what we're trying to go for here is trying to remain nice and steady in that vertical plane there. Okay? And you can see I am working on going backwards as well. Just taking the element of that, again, foot tripod with between the big toe and the littlest toe, and then slowly driving that heel down to the ground and taking your next step. Okay. Another way to think about this is as we get into other variations of carry, now I'm just carrying it on one side. So we'll call that single loaded. Another way to think about this is you can obviously have two different weights as well. We're going to call that offset. And at any rate, the reason why we're doing this is, again, it kind of controls that measurement of balance side to side. So if we have an area where we feel like we lean a little bit more towards, sometimes what we can do is actually add a weight to that side and our body naturally wants to go the opposite direction. That's just one little way that we can work on our balance too.